Greetings guys, Mkosi JPY, this is your mentor. So currently, right now guys, I'm gonna just show you something that is very absolutely important that is gonna help you for the rest of your life. So I know that most of people, they cannot afford to pay a trading view eventually, but there is a website that it can help you to analyze the market, to backtest your strategy. That website is called TradingCasa. It can help you to trade even the 2005 chart, any chart that you want to use it. So, and then you can use a demo money, fund a certain amount, trade, backtest your strategy with any time frame you want to use it. TradingCasa, it's the powerful website that it can help you to backtest. So I want to just dive into TradingCasa currently right now. That's the website. As you can see here, and then I just click on the TradingCasa. I already have an account. So what I'm gonna just do, I will just log in, sign in. I'm not gonna sign up. So as you can see, I wanna just show you some of it's just I left that TradingCasa rolling because I was putting some pending orders there. So currently right now, as you can see, a TradingCasa, let me just show you something. A TradingCasa, as you can see, it have the gold. It shows you the profit. As you can see, even the date, that's the date. The time I was backtesting. So I want to show you. Let me just scroll down. You will see that 2023, that's the date, 2023 July, I managed to make a profit of 1,370, 1,437.86 with the one trade, and then I managed to make 492 one trade. I managed to lose. You see the date here, the date I managed to lose, wins, lost. I did not backtest here. Saturday, the market, we don't trade. And then as you can see here, guys, that's the history of July. We have how many losses? 1, 2, 3, 4 losses. We have the wins. As you can see, that's a 2023, July, January, February, March, April, May, June, July. That's my backtest. So this time frame, this thing, it can help you to backtest. Let's just backtest right now, because I was having an account of the account of, I don't remember very well, but as you can see, it says that the amount, and here that's the USD JPY here. So I wanna show you again how I will backtest. You know? Let me just check on the dashboard. Let's continue vision. I'm gonna show you. Okay, let me see. Backtest back. Let me just use the previous. It was 2008. Let's go to 2008. So as you can see, it allows you to use any time frame you want to use it. So currently right now, what I'm gonna just do, I'm gonna just analyze the market, analyzing the market. So I'm not gonna deeply focus because of what I'm trying to do. I wanna show you how you can backtest your strategy. So let's just take it from here. Let's say it's a key level, it's a resistance, and then here that's our support here. So currently right now, I want to show you something first. So the pair is a USD JPY. So I want to trade from that to this level here. And copy current price. I want to trade open position. So while I'm doing this, I'm gonna just say, okay, that's the position here. open position. Let's just choose sell. Let's choose take profit. Take profit. Let's just choose this. This is our take profit. And then let's not put a stop loss. One position, 0.5. Okay. Just sell market. And then current initial, place a trade. It needs a stop loss. Let's say the stop loss is 990, 600. That's our stop loss. And then I'm gonna just place the trade. So that's the trade. I managed to put an entry point here, and then that's the take profit. That's the stop loss here, as you can see here. So I'm gonna just play it here. You will see it's rolling. It's rolling. Let me just move with the 5 minutes speed. With a 5 minute speed. Let me just use a 15-minute speed. So you see the current price is here. So I wanna just increase so that we can able to see. So as you can see, I'm on profit. You see, I'm on profit. I'm on profit. You see, it's moving. Any time frame you want to use it, you can use it. It's just you need to study hard. So I was just showing you another side, what you can do for you to backtest your strategy. So it just it have the ads. So you need to subscribe so that they can stop this ads. So you see it's counting 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0, and I can close it here. Let's just continue. Because I want this thing to do it fast, I'm gonna just increase the speed. You see, I hit the stop loss there. I hit the stop loss. So it helps you to backtest each and every strategy of yours, so you can see that how much I lost here. And then we can check that where was the year 2000, and then look at the time frame. You see, anything you want, you can use it. It looks like it's the similar as TradingView, but it's more powerful than TradingView. So as you can see here, that's the trade that I was trading here. I don't remember very well how much, because it's been a while not using this website, guys. It's been a long. So I wanna go back. So if you wanted to open an account or backtest, let's just say new session, and then you write your name. Let's say my name is ʟɪꯙᴇ. Let me just make it comma and then SA. So you start with any initial amount you wanted to start it. Let's just say $20. A currency pair, any currency pairs you wanted to trade, you can see that that's all the currency pair. After the currency pair, metal, let's just select a sale. A year, let's just say you wanted to start early this year. Yeah, wanted to start this year. So you can write in description and you want to write here. So it's saved. So you can see the account is here. The account is here. So I'm gonna just click play. It's loading. It's loading. So while it's loading, we have a this year, January 2025 chart. So currently right now, let me just make it simple. I want to take it from here. I just wanted to make it simple. Let's say it's a buy. Let's say I'm expecting a buy. While I'm expecting a buy, because it's any time frame you want to use it, let's use H1. So let's say I'm expecting a buy. So I'm opening a position here. I want to trade price. Let's see the price. Price of, let's just take it 28.64, and then let's put a stop loss of let's just say 25, and our target, let's choose 80. Let's choose 80. Our target, let's choose 2, and then percentage risk, let's just say go with let's say 50%, risk amount $10, risk amount $10, and I'm gonna just place the trade. Let me just make market buy. I'm buying market execution, so I'm gonna just place the trade. So as you can see here, as you can see, that's my entry, that's my target. So I wanna play it, move. Let me just increase the speed, make it 10 minutes. See, I'm on profit. I'm on profit. Let's just increase the speed, make it H1. See, anything you wanted to use. So I'm gonna just keep increasing so that it can move it fast. You see, I'm on profit. I'm on profit. You'll see the target is gonna disappear once it hit. See, let's see, hit the target. So let's see, guys, while we are reaching the target, we can able to see that it was $20. Currently right now it is $22.64. so while it can show you, even if there is some losses with that day, you see it have a lot of stuff, guys, a lot of things. It can help you, guys. This thing is more powerful, so I'll put the link in the description video. I will put the link in the description video. Guys, I'm out. Make sure you like and subscribe and share and comment. I'll continue be consistent uploading